Of you have heard about this token called Tinje coin. Just look at the name up. This is a Dexscreener I'm about using to analyze this token for you to see how potential this token is. For some of you that have not been able to make any dime from this crypto space, I want to show you how to carry out your own fundamental analysis, okay? That will enable you in order not to make a mistake in this space. So that is it. So let's proceed. This is a Crypto Authority channel. If you're a new subscriber, you're welcome. Subscribe. Go ahead, turn your notification button so that anytime I upload a video, YouTube will always notify you. And if you're a returning of a viewer, God bless you for coming around to be watching our videos. Okay, I'm grateful. You guys are the reason why we are still on the YouTube street. Okay. Yes, subscribe to support this channel to grow faster. Are you getting it? So this is the next Shiba Inu on board. The way I said now, some of you will say, how am I sure? How am I sure? That is life for you. But don't look at the channel. It's a small channel. Yes, this is a small channel. It's not quite long. I joined YouTube, content creating. But I've been on the crypto space for a very long time now. So I'm bringing you this Tinje coin or Tinje token. The next Shiba Inu. Do you hear what I said? I said it's the next Shiba Inu. Yes. Go and carry out your own diligent research. Do your technical and fundamental analysis very well. There is not a financial advice. Always invest what you can afford to lose. Are you getting it? So, let's dive. Look at the name up here. Tinje. Tinje. Okay? On Binance Smart Chain blockchain. Are you getting it? So, that is it. If you look at it, this project, the liquidity is already locked. Are you getting it? The FDV fully diluted volume is $273,000. While the liquidity means money. The money they have here is $73,000. Okay, and liquidity is locked. That means that the owner will not be able to tamper with this project. They will not tamper with people's fund, okay? They can, run away with the project. That is one of the reasons why anytime you see a project liquidity that is locked, it's giving you a very big hope, okay? Good. This is the market cap of this Tinje coin or Tinje token. This is the market cap, $273,000. That's the market capitalization. Are you getting it? I'm showing you research now. This is a transaction that have taken place so far. 20,128 transactions have taken place. Are you getting it? This is the volume, $96,000. Okay, yeah, just follow me. If you look at the makers here, the market makers, there are 143 here. If you look at, we have buyers, we have sellers, we have buyers, we have sellers. So let's look at numbers of persons that have been able to buy. If you look at buyers, you have 8,585 persons that have been able to buy this Tinje token. Then, how many persons have been able to sell? We have 11,553 persons has been able to sell. A few days ago, the token did well, and people that bought cashed out very, very well. They cashed out big time. Okay, this coin was launched 2 weeks ago. 2 weeks ago. It's still new. Are you getting it? So, all right, let's proceed. If you look at this very place, if you look here, it's a pair created. This pair created is telling us the day this token was created. The token, this Tinje coin, was created 18 days 20 hours ago. 18 days 20 hours ago, about 2 weeks and some days. Okay, this project was launched. Are you getting it? Good. This is the Tinje pool. We have 134 million of it that worth $36,000. Okay, all right, this is the contract address. You come here and copy it. It's on Binance blockchain, as I said earlier. Are you getting it? Okay, you can give them a follow on Twitter. Let's see if we can do that now. Let me click on that. Give them a follow on Twitter so that all right. Yes, let me give them a follow. See it, click this follow. You follow them so that each time they post, look at it, say, I am Tinje from Kampala. Dancer, dreamer, worldwide star, follow me for fun. smart and exciting stories. Let's send giggle to 1 billion keys, okay? So if you want to get more update from there, you always come to their Twitter page, okay? Say why Tinje could be the next big thing in DeFi. So people have started seeing the dream already. People have started seeing the potential in this project. That this is the contract address. You can add it to your Trust wallet, buy it on PancakeSwap exchange, decentralized exchange, okay? Okay, they say launch on BSC. Do you see it? I've said before, launch on BSC network on a mission to provide 1 million tablets for 1 million children, okay? They say APIN. So you just carry out a very good diligent research. Are you ready to share your way to riches? I'm hosting an epic giveaway for the top 25 X account that create the most hype-worthy posting shield. So if you're a shiller, you can join them to make some money at the end of the day. Are you getting it? So let's go back to our Dexscreener. I want to show you more about this project, okay? When you click on this more here, click to get more details. Go to say go plus security. Look at no issue. No issue. Quick intel, no issue. Token sniffer even confirmed that they are 100/100%. Wow. This is why I say is the next Shiba. Honeypot.is has confirmed this project that no issue. So Honeypot is one of the tools like this token sniffer used in carry out your fundamental analysis on any project you want to invest your money. So remember, always invest what you can afford to lose. That is the crypto space for you. Invest what you can afford to lose. Click here, you get their website. You can join them on TikTok, Instagram, Twitter, that's X, YouTube, and the rest of it, okay? So look at it now. Let's look at this let's see 1 million. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Let's see. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, how much? Okay, 1 million pieces of this Tinje token. What you see it here? It worth $2. Then if I type 100 million of this Tinje token, it worth $271. Are you getting it? Yes. So it's very down now, very down. We're in the bull season. You can wake up, maybe wake up to tomorrow morning. Your $10 is already giving you $500. That is a crypto space. Crypto work like magic, but some of you don't want to understand this simple truth. We are not here. I'm not here to deceive you guys. I always say the best. Okay. All right. So that is it. Carry out your own diligent research. Okay. It's not a you can join them on Telegram, join them on X, that's Twitter, and other social media like that. You can chat to them up here, ask your questions. They're always there to attend to you. You can equally turn this notification button on so that you'll be getting update from them, okay? That is it. You can add the Tinje token to your watch list also. Are you getting it? So that is it. It's a very good project for my own personal analysis for you to invest your money, though it's not a financial advice. Invest what you can afford to lose. I keep saying it. So thank you so much, my lovely viewers, my fans, my subscribers. If you find this video helpful, please comment, subscribe, like, comment, share, so that we'll be getting more updates from this channel. This is your Crypto Authority. Thank you so much and have a lovely day. Bye.